Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial on how to withdraw Chainlink tokens from your Arculus wallet straight to your Ledger Nano X. If you're into crypto and want to keep your assets secure, this 2025 guide is perfect for you. By the end, you'll feel confident handling this transfer like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Arculus wallet app installed on your phone, your Ledger Nano X device with the latest firmware, and of course, some Chainlink tokens in your Arculus wallet. Double check that your Ledger is connected to your computer via USB and that you've opened the Ethereum app on it, since Chainlink runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app and navigate to your Chainlink holdings. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer. Remember, always start small for your first time to avoid any mishaps. Next, for step 2, you'll need to get the receiving address from your Ledger Nano X. On your computer, open the Ledger Live app, go to the Accounts section, and select your Ethereum account. This will display your wallet address. Copy that down carefully. Head back to Arculus and paste this address into the To field. Double check for typos. One wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Step 3. Review the transaction details in Arculus. You'll see the amount, fees, and the destination address. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction on your Arculus device. This might involve a biometric scan or PIN for security. Great job staying safe. Once that's done, switch over to your Ledger Nano X. It should prompt you to confirm the incoming transaction. Use the device buttons to verify and accept. This adds an extra layer of security that Ledger is famous for. Wait a few minutes for the blockchain to process it. Network congestion can vary, but in 2025, things are faster than ever. Finally, once it's confirmed, check your Ledger Live app to see your Chainlink tokens in your account. Congrats! You've successfully withdrawn your assets. A quick tip. Always keep an eye on gas fees, as they can eat into your transfer. If you run into issues, reach out to community forums or official support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next video.